Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Laview camera that is keep going offline in 2026. So you need to first of all start by checking your network type. Laview cameras work more reliably on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So if your router is using a combined 2.4 plus 5 GHz network, the camera may disconnect randomly. So in this situation, you just have to basically go to your router's settings and you need to allot a dedicated 2.4 GHz network and make sure that the signal is strong where the camera is placed. Now, if your camera is plugged into the wall outlet, you need to also check the adapter or the cables. The loose connections or the unstable power can also cause the camera to drop offline. If the camera turns off and on by itself, this is a clear sign of the power issue. You can also try refreshing the connection via the Laview application. So inside the Laview application, you just have to check if the camera is showing you offline or delayed response. If that's the case, simply log out and then you just have to log back in order to refresh the connection. If the issue continues, you can just simply remove the camera from the app and then you can set it again. This rebuilds the connection between your camera and the server. Now, if many devices are using Wi-Fi at the same time, your camera may lose the connection. Streaming, downloads, and gaming can also affect the stability. So make sure that you limit the heavy usage and upgrade your router if needed. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Laview camera is back online again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.